Hey, it's Destiny LaShae. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you girls how to do your own nails at home. I've been showing the Instagram and the TikTok girlies how to do this for the longest time, but I thought the other day, like, wait, I never made a YouTube video. I've been using these specific nails for a really long time, and I feel like the quality is really good. Everything that I use in this nail tutorial, you will be able to get from Amazon, so I'll put the link to everything down below in the description box for you. Let's get into this tutorial. My nails usually last 20 to 30 days, and I feel like that's mainly because of the proper nail prep. I feel like a nail drill gives you a really professional look, and I love using a cuticle bit. Anytime I'm using my drill, I'm making sure that I'm going one way and the machine is going the other way. So if I'm drilling a certain way, the cuticle bit or the sanding man is going the opposite way. That's very important, and you'll feel the difference, honestly. So I'm going to use a 240 grit sanding man. These are very gentle and appropriate for your natural nails. I'm gonna put that in my drill. I'm just gonna lightly file my nails down so that I have like a smooth yet rough surface at the same time. I'm just gonna clean up my nails a little bit because they're looking rough. Okay, I'm gonna use a buffer because I need something to just get the little kinks out and also like flatten my nails just a little bit. You want to make sure that your nails are as flat as possible without damaging your nails, okay? So I'm going to clean my nails off because you don't want any oils or anything that could obstruct your nails from like laying flat and the glue adhering to your nails as much as possible. And now I'm going in with my dehydrator. This really helps to dry out your nail bed. I like really stick this in my cuticles too because they're very oily. That's what makes my nails lift a lot. So these Btartbox X Coat nail tips, and I have been locked in for the past couple years, okay? When I tell you these are hands down the best French tip nails that I've ever tried, they are really good. And the fact that you get so many nails out of one pack is so crazy to me, okay? So you're gonna measure them. You wanna make sure that you're measuring properly because if you're not, your nails are gonna lift and you're gonna get bubbles, okay? Take your time with this step. The glue is also very important. This I've been using for like 8 years, okay? This is the best nail glue on the market. I always apply my glue the same way. I apply an ample amount to the fake nail and I apply a good layer of glue to my natural nail. And I apply the nail very gently. I'm using like light to medium pressure to put the nail down. And I make sure to leave the nail there for about 20 to 30 seconds to make sure that the glue has time to like dry down. Okay, you don't want to immediately take your hand off because then you'll get bubbles or it just won't stick. Okay, so hold it down. You do have to sit there for a little bit, but it's worth the wait. And make sure in between this step that you're not doing anything else. You're not cooking, you're not cleaning, you're not doing anything else because you don't want to disturb the dehydrator that you just put down. Take your time measuring and take your time applying the nails as well because honestly, this is another very important part to make your nails look professional. Okay, shaping is very important because you do not want somebody to clock that you have on press-on nails. Okay, so you want to make sure that you file that little tab off in the front because it's not cute. Okay, we want them to look very professional as they do right now. Okay, I love the matte look, but I need to paint my nails because that white on there will chip. I apply UV gloves because I don't want my hands looking super duper old. Okay, so we're going in with base gel. This just makes my nails look like I have acrylic on, so I love using a base coat. You don't have to, but I feel like it gives the nails like a thicker, fresh out the salon look. Okay, you need a UV light. Any one you want will do. I like painting my 4 fingers first and then going in with my thumb so it doesn't like leak over. I go with builder gel as well. This makes my nails look so like professional and thick, and you only need like a thin layer of this. Okay, doing these steps is the key to making your nails last, helping the white not to chip and just giving you that like fresh out the salon look. And you want to make sure to cure after every step for at least 90 seconds. That's what I do. You can't tell me it doesn't look like I just left the nail salon just now. Okay, these are so cute. I'm going to show you how to take them off too. All right. So these soaking bowls, when it comes down to taking off my nails, has made my life a lot easier. So I apply like warm water to the bottom of the bowl, and then I use my acetone to go in and apply on the top where I'm going to put my nails at. The warm water heats up the acetone and it makes it a lot easier for your nails to come off. So I like to use a nail clipper if my nails are long, because it's just extra work if you leave your nails long, right? If you have the short nails, you don't really have to do this, but if they've grown out, clip them off, okay? So this safety bit is very good for beginners because it's called a safety bit, right? So I use this to get off that top layer of builder gel and top coat and base coat and all that. I kind of push through that so that the acetone can just eat up the nails like this. And honestly, from there, I just keep using the safety bit for about 3 soaks, and I soak about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I pull them out and they look like this. You can do that, or you can just use a paper towel if you don't have a nail drill. But honestly, a nail drill makes your life a lot easier because it's just quicker, okay? Make sure that water isn't too hot as well, because acetone can burn you if it's too hot. Just be very careful with this. But this is a very quick way to take your nails off, and it's effective and it works every time. I wish I had a video like that when I first started doing my nails at home. I tried to break it down as much as possible. Let me know down in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure you share this video with a friend who you think needs a little bit of nail help. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.